Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share a journal with me session documenting a lunch date with my parents at Chili's in Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, followed by some relaxing me time at Old Town White Coffee in the same mall. This video is perfect for those looking for creative ideas to document special family moments and solo coffee dates in your journal. I'll walk you through how I plan, design, and create these spreads step by step, sharing tips on using stencils, washi tape, stamps to add personal touches, and making the process enjoyable and meaningful. Let's jump right into it. As you can see here, there is already a journal entry from a different date. To separate the two entries and keep the layout neat, I decide to add a divider using a strip of Kita washi tape. This not only creates a clear visual boundary between the entries but also adds a touch of design to the page, enhancing the overall look. If you don't have washi tape, there are plenty of alternatives you can use. You can draw a simple line with a pen or marker to create a clean divider. Another option is to use a strip of pattern paper that complements your design. You can even use stickers or a border stamp to separate the entries while adding a decorative element. The key is to create a subtle boundary that helps visually distinguish different sections on the same page. Now that I have all my materials ready, I begin by laying out the photos for each page. I decide to start with the Chili's entry. I'll be working through the layout up to the writing process first, before moving on to the Old Town White Coffee page later. For the Chili's entry, I arrange a family photo alongside food shots of the flavorful fajitas and nachos we ordered. To achieve a balanced composition, I suggest taking your time to arrange your photos and embellishments on the page before gluing them down or starting to write. Visualizing the design beforehand helps you spot potential adjustments and ensures that everything flows harmoniously. This step prevents mistakes and allows you to create a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing layout. For the title, I use a stencil to create bold and clean lettering. Complement Chili's classic branding, I fill in the letters with vibrant red and green brush markers. The stencils not only make the title look polished, but also give the page a professional and cohesive touch. Next, I incorporate food icon stamps from the Everyday Explorers Co. stamp set to add a playful taco illustration. also use on the menu box stamp, which provides a perfect space to list the dishes we ordered. Stamps are a quick and easy way to add visual interest and personality to your page. Choose stamps that match your theme, like food icons for a dining entry. But if you don't have stamps, you can use stickers, draw simple doodles, or even print small clip art images to achieve a similar effect. For instance, you could sketch a taco or create a little box using markers and colored pens. The goal is to add decorative elements that enhance the story you're telling. Below this section, I write a brief note about our lunch, highlighting the wonderful time spent with family and the delicious food. Underneath the on the menu stamp, I jot down a bullet style list of what we ordered that day, making the entry both visually appealing and informative. Bullet points or lists are a great way to document specific details such as the food you ordered without overwhelming the page with text. So in journaling, you can just briefly describe what happened, focusing on the highlights of the experience. This keeps the entry concise while capturing the memory effectively. Moving on to the Old Town White Coffee page, I take a more subtle approach to match the relaxed atmosphere of the cafe. Once again, I begin the photo layout, placing the photos of the cafe's cozy interior and my hot hazelnut coffee. Afterwards, I work around the photos using the stenciled lettering to tie the page together and give it a neat, balanced look. So for the title, I'm using this stencil by the Travelers Company to create Old Town White Coffee. I chose a mustard yellow color to evoke warmth, and now I'm adding soft shading to the letters for extra depth, making the title stand out without overpowering the photos. This combination of subtle colors and clean stenciling gives the page a calming, inviting feel that mirrors the vibe of the cafe. Next, I'd like to add a decorative touch with this La Dolce Vita stamp featuring a lady with a coffee cup. The stamp adds a playful yet fitting illustration to the page, capturing the essence of my coffee experience at Old Town White Coffee. It complements the relaxed theme of the cafe and enhances the visual interest of the entry without overwhelming the layout. In the journaling part, I jot down the details about the nutty and rich flavor of my hazelnut coffee. I describe how the smooth, creamy texture complements the coffee's subtle sweetness, making it the perfect drink for a peaceful break. I also mentioned the cozy ambience of the Old Town White Coffee, where I enjoyed my moment of me time, reflecting on the peaceful escape from the busy day. And that wraps up today's journaling session. I hope this video inspires you to journal your special moments and experiment with different design ideas like stenciled lettering and creative layouts. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any fun tips for making your food related journal entries more personal and meaningful? Share your ideas below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and check out my memory keeping and traveler's notebook playlist for more journaling inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!